Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting crystal clear on what you want and why. This shapes everything that follows. Once done, check her schedule and pick a calm moment to ask. You should open with a concise, honest reason that connects to her values, then offer one sensible compromise to reduce risk. Make sure to use warm body language and a short personal example so she sees the request's benefit. This first step sets tone and increases the chance she listens, instead of declining immediately. Now you move into the detailed pitch. Outline 3 tight points: how she benefits, how you'll keep things safe, and a clear backup plan. Once you state each point, pause and invite a short response so she feels heard. That builds trust. Make sure to include concrete numbers or timelines to appear responsible, and mention who else supports the plan if relevant. Use transitional phrases like so and because to link reasons to results. This helps her follow your logic smoothly. You close by asking a clear, direct question and suggesting a specific next step. For example, can I do this next Saturday if I check in at noon? If she hesitates, give one small concession right away to lower resistance. Once she reacts, summarize her objection and propose one concrete fix. This shows you're listening and adaptable. If things go wrong, pause, acknowledge feelings, and offer a simple alternative. That often converts a no into a yes later.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.